Hello, welcome to my channel again. You see, starting YouTube channel is the easiest, the very easy, but growing that particular channel is where the challenge comes in. In today's video, I'm going to share with you effective strategies to grow your YouTube fast in 2024. So if you want to grow your YouTube fast in 2024, stick to this video, like this video, comment and turn on the notification bell to get notified when we post more video, and don't forget to subscribe.
Please subscribe and like for more.
From content ideas to smart SEOs, here is everything that you need to know to take your YouTube game to the next level. The number one that we're going to talk today is find a niche and stick to it. Now, YouTube reward consistency, so you have to find a particular niche like tech review, tutorial or entertainment and stick to it. Doing this will get you loyal audience that will keep coming back to your video. Okay, so find one particular niche that you are good in. It can be tech review, it can be tutorial on one particular topic, okay, and stick to it. Be consistent if you want to get rewarded by YouTube, and if you want your audience to be loyal to your channel and keep coming back. So number two is optimize your title and your thumbnails. A strong title and a catchy thumbnail can make or break your video performance. What I'm basically saying is you have to have a good title that will make people want to watch your video, and also, and more importantly, have a catchy thumbnail that will bring out the curiosity in people to click on that video and watch what you are doing in that particular video. Okay, now number three is posting regularly. Okay, now YouTube, like I said, reward consistency. So if you want to grow your channel, keep posting. Even if you're having 0 views, even if you're having 5 views at the moment, keep posting. Okay, at least post one video every 3 days or one video every week, but keep posting, because when you keep posting, you are telling YouTube that you are very serious about what you are doing and you are consistent in it, and that will make them to push your video to the right audience, and it will also make your audience to be loyal to you, because they will always want to come back to your channel to watch a new video. Okay, but when you're not posting consistently, you post maybe once in a month, your audience might watch your video for the first time, then they will not be able to see any other video on your channel to watch throughout the month. This will make them to abandon your channel and look for some other channel. But if you're posting consistently, posting every 3 days or once every week, they will always come back. The number 4 on our list today is engaging with your audience. Make sure you engage your audience by asking them questions, replying to their comments. Engaging with your audience will make your audience more loyal, and it will also boost your video visibility. Okay, now it will also build your community. Okay, it will make more people to come when they see that you are willing to answer their questions, reply to their comments. They will always come back to watch more of your videos, because everybody wants someone that will be able to tell them or answer their questions in their when they don't understand some certain things in your video and they ask questions in the comment section. They want to be able to get an answer. So engage your audience. That's the number 4. Without wasting much of your time, this is the last one and the 5th one. The number 5 on our list today is use analytics to guide your video. So if you are a YouTuber, you should know about YouTube Studio. Open your YouTube Studio, study the analytics, study and know the topics and videos that are performing well on your channel. Then double down on those topics and on those videos. Make more videos on those topics. This will help boost the visibility of your channel. This will help get you more audience, and this will help you to push your video to the right algorithm, so you will get more views and more subscribers. Thank you all for sticking to the end of today's video. I appreciate. Please support me by subscribing to this channel. liking this video and sharing with your friends. Then let me know the tips that you think have worked for you or you will be using in the comment section. If you also want me to make video on any other topic or any other tips, you can drop that in the comment section. Thank you all and God bless you.